Hi, today is December 14th, 2002. I have here three IDI pumps, model 300s, or 303 because they have three dispense valves. These pumps have been fully refurbished, cleaned, and any damaged or parts have been replaced. It's been tested. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some dispenses on all three pumps, and I'm going to start with the first valve for first dispense number one on the first one, and then I'll go to the second one, then I'll go to the third one, then I'll do dispense 2 and dispense 3. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to show that it's dispensing good. I'm using IPA for this test. Oh, by the way, the PO number for this, for reference, is 1620220463. Anyway, so I'm going to do a dispense on pump number 1. Okay, and here goes. It's filling up, and it just did a dispense. I have very little IPA coming out. I have them all set up for 0.8 seconds, so you're going to get a very small amount of dispense. Okay, right now I have here like 8 mils. Okay, so that's about right. So I'll do another dispense on pump number 1, valve number 1. Okay, as you can see, it's dispensing really good. The suckback is good. No leaks after the dispense, so it's holding really nice. And I'll do one more for this test. Okay, slowing up and then dispensing. So I did this pump right now, which is my pump number 1 and dispense 1. So now I'm going to switch to pump 2 and show that that's dispensing correctly. Okay, so okay, here goes. Now you'll see it coming out of this one. Okay, before we were dispensing out of this one. Now we're dispensing the middle one. You'll see it on the video. So here goes. Okay. So as you can see, it's dispensing really well. And I'll do a couple more. Okay, no leaks. It's dispensing really well. Okay, this one's doing a little bit more because I have it turned up a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to pump number, I guess it goes A, B, and C, okay, according to the controller. So I'll go to pump C, which is our third pump, dispense number 1.
Yeah, I think you just go up right here. You have to plate. Yeah, it's really good. You just put your ladder on. But it can't just do it right here. No, what?
Okay, here goes. Now you're going to see it dispense right here. So I got pump A, B, and C, or 1, 2, 3, and dispense number 1 of pump C. So here goes. Okay, so it's dispensing really well. I'll do a couple more. And one more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera for a little bit. I'm going to hook up dispense number 2, and I'll show on each pump that they're working also as well. So I'll pause it right now and come back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, now I have the pumps hooked up to dispense number 2. As you can see before, it was hooked up to the first dispense. Now I'm hooked up to the second dispense, which is valve number 2. Okay, so I'm going to do pump A, then B, and then C. And here goes. I'm going to do a couple of dispenses. Okay, dispensing really nice. And one more. Okay, I'm going to switch to pump B, so that'll be the middle one. Okay, so now I'll do several dispenses. That's the middle one. Okay, dispensing really nice. Do one more, or a couple more. Okay, so that one's working well. And now I'm going to switch to pump C, which is this last one here. This is dispense number 2.
That's it.
Okay, so it's switched now to pump C. I'll do a couple of dispenses. Valve number 2, dispense 2. Okay, you can see it's dispensing really nice. No leaks. And one more. Filling up. Dispensing. Okay, as you can see, dispense 2 on all 3 pumps are working well. Now I'm going to switch. I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to go switch to dispense number 3. Now the reason I'm doing this way is because that way I don't have enough holes here and lines to do all of them at the same time. So I'm switching the lines, and now I'm going to go to number 3. Okay, I'm back. I have now the pumps hooked up to dispense number 3. Okay, pump A, pump B, pump C. Okay, so now as you can see here, it's in valve number 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Here I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do several dispenses using dispense 3. So here goes. Okay, that's really nice. Now, as you can see, there's several adjustments here for the pump. You got the speed, you got the amount, and you also have the suck back. But also it's time related, so with the program, so you can adjust it. You'll see that some will dispense a little stronger because the speed is up higher, or you get a little bit more depending on the adjustments. So when you get your pumps, you're probably going to have to do a couple of adjustments here and there. These have been calibrated, okay? Normally to see that it's functioning good, you have to have to pass calibration. So it did. Okay, so I'll do one more on this pump number A, or pump letter A. Okay, so that's doing really well. Okay, so now I'm going to do pump B, dispense 3. B. Okay, here goes. This is going to be the middle one, pump B. Okay, very nice. Okay, and one more. Okay, so on pump A, all the valves are working. Dispense 1, 2, and 3. Number 2, working really well. Now I'm going to do number 3, dispense 3. So it's going to be pump C. Dispense 3. Okay, and here goes. This is number 3. Okay, here goes. I almost missed the beaker here, but you can see it's dispensing a little stronger. You know, you can adjust the valve, turn it down a little bit, but that's up to the customer. So here goes. Okay, a little aggressive there. Like I said, that could be adjusted. Each valve is adjustable. Okay, and that's to the customer's need. One more time. Okay, so you can see all the valves are working. All 3 pumps are working really well. So this should conclude my test. Thank you.